Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 7 measurement part 11th capacity. You know the measurement table of first kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Next kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. We already learned about these two units. Now we study capacity, that is, this is capacity, this is weight, this is length. In previous class we already learned about kilometer, kilogram and kiloliter. Now how to addition and subtraction of capacity, that is quantity of an liquid. We purchase liquid, petrol, milk, oil, these are we measure in capacity, that is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. The base unit in length is meter. This is the base unit. The base unit of weight is gram. The base unit of capacity is liter. Understand you? We how to convert, already you learned about the how to convert one unit to another unit. Bigger to smaller, this is the bigger unit, bigger to smaller, multiply, smaller to bigger, divide. According to your unit, how many steps you jump? Then here meter to centimeter. Then second jump. First jump be meter to decimeter. Then second jump decimeter to centimeter. How many jump we jump? How many step? Then 1 here multiply by 10, here multiply by 10. Then 10, 100. Meter into centimeter we multiply by 100. Then centimeter into millimeter. How many step we jump? 1 step. Here centimeter to millimeter. How many step we jump? 1 step. Then multiply by 10. Now gram. Gram into milligram. Gram into milligram. How many step we jump? 1, 2, 3. That is 10 into 10 into 10. Here 10, 100, 1000. Then multiply by 1000. Here kilogram into gram. Kilogram into gram. How many step we jump? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. That is multiply by 10 here also. Here multiply by 10. Here also multiply by 10. Now 10, 100, 1000. We multiply by 1000. Now we study kiloliter, the capacity unit. Here kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Convert 3 kiloliter 350 liter into liter. Question: 3 kiloliter 350 liter into liter. Kiloliter into liter. Bigger unit to smaller unit. How many steps? 1 step, 2 step, 3. How many steps you jump? 3 steps. That is 10. Here also 10. Here also 10. 10, 100, 1000. We multiply by 1000. You write solution. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Now you have how many kiloliter? 3 kiloliter 350 liter is equal to 3 multiply 1000 plus 350 liter. That is 3 into 1000. First you multiply 3 and 1. 3 1 ja 3. How many zeros here left? 3 zeros. You put 3 zeros. Then plus 350 liter. Then you add these two numbers. Then 3350 liter. Understand it? One more question. Convert 5750 liter into kiloliter and liter. Question: 5750 liter into kiloliter and liter. Liter को kiloliter, liter into kiloliter, liter into kiloliter. How many steps? Smaller to bigger, divide. How many steps you jump? 1, 2, 3. That is divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. 10, 100, 1000. We divide by 1000. Then solution: 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kiloliter. Then how many liter we have? 5750 liter is equal to 5750 upon 1000. We divide by 1000. How many digits we remove? 3 digits we remove. 1, 2, 3. This 3 digits we remove. Then left our 5 kiloliter. The remove is our 750 liter. Understand you? Then one more question. 3125 milliliter into liter and milliliter. Our question: 3125 milliliter into liter and milliliter. Here our milliliter unit. Milliliter into liter. This is milliliter into liter. How many steps? 1, 2, 3 steps we jump. That is divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. Now 10, 100, 1000. We divide by 1000. Then solution 1 ml is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. How many ml we have? 3125 ml is equal to 3125 upon 1000. We divide by 1000. How many digits we remove? 3 digits we remove from the right hand side of the number. 3 digits we remove. 1, 2, 3. This is your right hand side. This is we remove. This is our ml. This is our liter. Answer is 3 liter 125 ml. Understand you? Now we have to addition and subtraction of capacity measurement. Add 5 liter 315 ml and 3 liter 120 ml. 5 liter 315 ml and 3 liter 120 ml. First you make 2 columns, liter and ml. Then 5 315. Here 3 120. Then add this number. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 8. 8 liter 435 ml. Understand? One more question. 8 kl 300 liter and 2 kl, kl means kiloliter, 500 liter. You make it 2 column again, kiloliter and liter. 8, 300, here 2, here 500. Then you add this number. 0, 0, 8, then 10. Our answer is 10 kiloliter, 800 liter. Then subtract. How to subtract the measurement in subtraction? Subtract 8 liter 700 ml from 15 liter. Listen. Subtract 8 liter 700 ml from 15 liter. Then here which word come here? From come here. Therefore, the second number write in first. Which word come in question? From. The second number write in first. That is 2 column you make, liter and ml. Liter and milliliter. First you 15 liter. There is no ml here. You put how many ml here? 3 digit, 3 zeros here. There is no ml here. Therefore, you put 0, 0, 0, 3. Here 8 liter 700 ml. Then we subtract. First 0 take away from 0, you get 0. Then again 0 take away from 0, you get 0. Again 7 take away from 0. This is possible? No. You take borrow this cutter 4, this cutter 10. Now you subtract this. 7 take away from 10. You get 3. Now here 8 take away from 4. This is possible? No. This cut 0, this cut 14. Now 8 take away from 14, you get 6. Our answer is 6 liter 300 ml. ml means milliliter. Then one more question. Then some students don't know how to divide. Then listen, 600, 485 divide by 8. This question, listen, 485 divide by 8. First you divide this number, 485 divide 8. First you check, 4 is greater, 8 is greater. This is our dividend, this is our divisor. Now first you check, ones, tens, 100. First you start with 100 place. Here ones, tens, 100. You start with 100 place. First 8 is greater, 4 is greater, 8 is greater. Then you take the 4 is smaller. Then you take this two number 48. Now our question, 48 is greater, 8 is greater, 48 is greater. Now you say the table. How many times gone? 8 6 48. 6 times 48. Then subtract. 8 take away from 8, 0. 4 take away from 4, 0. Now which number come in downside? 5 come in downside. Then the table of 8, how many times go in 5? How many times gone? 0 times. How many times? 0 times. 0. Then subtract this number. Then our answer is quotient is equal to 60. Now this 5 is in reminder. Quotient is equal to 60. Remainder is equal to 5. Now you understand this? How to divide this number? Okay. You learn the measurement table. Again, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Then kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Next, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Bigger to smaller, multiply, smaller to bigger, divide. Understand you? Yes. Now you do the homework in your exercise kiloliter. In exercise do in book and notebook. Okay, thank you.